What if I told you that there are boring repetitive jobs that I can pay you $50 per hour or more, and almost no freelancer are doing them? Today, I will refer to underrated freelancing gigs that requires no degree, no experience, and I can get you paid fast ticks. You can this could change your income forever. Most freelancers take sexy jobs like graphic design or YouTube editing, but the competition is insane, right? So and the rates are dropping. Meanwhile, boring but lucrative jobs get ignored because they sound too simple and not creative, right? But guess what? Simple is equal to less competitions, higher pays. Here are two hidden gems. Job number one here is data entry specialties, right? So sound boring, right? But companies pay gigs for this because nobody wants to do it. Yes, here is how to break in. Step one, find high paying clients. Skip Fiverr, go to Upwork, Flex Jobs or Delay and search data entry specialists, and then filter for jobs $50 per hour, right? So step 2 right here is specialize for higher pay. Don't just type offer Excel automation, CRM updates or transcription for legal medical feed. This pays $80 plus per hours, right? So the step 3 right here is sample pitch to win jobs. Here are the words you can send to your client to get job on this website, right? So you can see on my screen, I client I specialize in fast accurate data entry industry and I have helped similar business sales 10 plus hours per week, right? So let's discuss how I can streamline your data ready to start. You can just copy this and paste it to your client that you want to work with, or go to the description of this video, then go to the file so that you have access to this script that you can give to your file and get jobs, right? So the second jobs right here is email management, right, which costs $60 to $100 per hour, right? So this job, email management, is CEOs, entrepreneurship and Excels. It manages email, so it will pay you $60 to $100 per hour to do this. So number one thing that you need to do is what you will actually do. So you are not just deleting spam, you will filter priority emails, draft response, use template, set up folders or rules to automate other inbox. And step 2 right here is where to find clients, right? So if you want to find clients for this email management, you need to go to LinkedIn, Upwork, or even code email busy founders, right? With I am free up 10 plus hours a week by managing emails. You're interested in a trade. So the step 3 right here is tools to speed up work, right? So use Streak, Omarrange, or Mismatch to save times and look pro, right? These jobs aren't glamorous, but they pay $50 to $100 per hour with almost no competition. Which one will you try first? Comment below. I want my free list of 5 more boring high paying jobs. Download it below, so link in the description. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share these videos with others so that I can enjoy the opportunity to get these boring jobs done.